Okay, thought I'd share this little bit with you guys too. So we're about 8 hours away from the Cape Verde Islands. Should be able to see some kind of a glow from its lights tonight. We have the spinnaker up, but we can no longer use the main because there was a problem at the gooseneck. So it isn't structurally, the boom isn't structurally sound anymore. So we're getting in only with head sails or the engines. So that's why we're only doing, around 4 or so knots. With very, very little wind. But in any case, it's an absolutely beautiful spinnaker. But there is a silver sun. I've only seen that once before. I think the last time I saw a sun that looked like that was in Panama. But it's really cool because there are a few different things going on here. Obviously we're at sea, right? So different atmospheric conditions / anomalies, whatever, going on here. But we also have this fine sand coming off the Sahara and other parts of Africa, which isn't too far away off our port side. So I'm sure all of it combined is giving us this really neat silver sun. It actually looks like the moon, but it's not the moon, it's the sun. And actually I wonder if the moon, the last few days the moon has been out in the evening. It would be kind of cool if the same thing happened again tonight. Anyway, so here we are. We're just chilling. We'll slow right into to the Cape Verde Islands under spinnaker power. With a beautiful silver sun to look at. Thought for sure we would spot some whales, but nary a one. Lots of dolphins though. They always come to visit each of us on our night watches, and they put on a spectacular bioluminescent show. I wish I could get that on video. That would be really cool for you guys to see. They streak through the water. They're neon green as they agitate all of these tiny little photoplankton sorts of creatures that are in the water. And they're everywhere. They're everywhere. In fact, on one voyage, they had manual toilets on board, and I was flushing water through the system, through the bowl, and of course the water comes from the sea. Well, I accidentally knocked the light switch and turned the light switch off. So rather than turn around and stop what I was doing, I just continued because it only needed a few more cycles through. And as I was cycling the water through with this seawater coming through, I could see in the dark of the bathroom, called the head on a boat. I could see the little glowy creatures coming through the toilet water and out the other side. It was quite startling at first, but then of course I thought, well, yeah, of course they would be there too, right? They're everywhere. But it's really neat to see them in the ocean. And dolphins are not. The little creatures are being agitated constantly by whatever happens to be in the water, including just waves, right? So you see them flashing off in the distance, even away from the boat. And it's really quite magical, actually. Catamarans are fun. Oh, there's Dave. Hey, Dave. We just had a fabulous dinner. We're joking that we ordered Chinese food because that's what Maggie made. Sweet and sour Chinese food. That was good. So way out there in the distance somewhere is Africa. And about 75 miles that way, Cape Verde Islands. And about 750 miles that way, Canary Islands, where we came from. Okay, guys. Adios for now.